Sold the Bellanca Cruise Master. Some guys out of Colorado came up this morning. They are going to get this running hopefully today, and they want to fly it out of here. We'll see how it goes, but they're going to run it outside here in a little bit, see if they can get it to run. They got an A&P here, and he's going through it, checking out everything. Okay, so they couldn't get her to run, so they took the carb off, they took the boost pump, and they took the mechanical pump off the engine, went back to Colorado to get all that stuff rebuilt, and they came back 3 weeks later.
Aux pump isn't hooked up.
The aux isn't hooked up. Looking bubbles here. Yes, it is. I'm getting bubbles in the fuel.
Okay, round two. They still can't make it run. They came, I believe, on a Saturday or Sunday. Yeah, they came on a Saturday, worked on it all day Saturday, putting it together, trying to get it to run. Sunday, tried everything in the world. Finally, Monday morning, they came and they called the company in Oklahoma that rebuilt the mechanical transfer pump. And technology is great because they used an iPhone, used FaceTime to show him the plumbing of the fuel system. And Dad had the same problem when he was alive. He was trying to get it to go, and it would only run on the primer. And so the guy in Oklahoma said, well, you've got the plumbing wrong. So what was wrong was the pressure outlet of the boost pump. The electric pump was connected to the pressure outlet, the feed outlet on the mechanical engine pump. So they were working against each other. So they replumbed it, and they got her to run, but they were out of time. These guys had to go back to Colorado. They have jobs, families. So they were going to come back in a week and finish a punch list of things they had to do on it, and then fly it out. Look at, he's prying it off already. Back to Colorado, bring us some weed, boys, when you come back. More weed. So the new owner is here. They're gonna get the cruise master out of here probably Saturday. Looks like he flew his 180 this time. His name is Jeff too. He's a cool dude.
Here we go. 1951 Cruise Masters inaugural flight since 1987. Here he goes. Tails up. Airborne. Splitting the trees. Yeah!
Pretty good feeling, isn't it?
So you look at those trees, what a trouble they cause. They gotta go.